everyone, my name is Day and welcome back again to the channel. And for today's vibe is a little different because I've been seeing the love you all gave on my previous BGYO reaction, and I couldn't help myself but wonder, saan ba to lahat nagsimula? And I know I'm kind of late to this, but I want to understand why this track made so many of you become a true fan. So today, I'm finally listening to The Light, the song that started it all for many of you. Let's see what kind of impact it has on a first time listener just like me. And maybe through this reaction, we can relive that unforgettable moment when you first heard it too. Tara, let's dive in. Then you lies immerse power. Your light can change the world. Okay? Fairness mga babata nila dito. Sobrang bata.
Just need to follow the light. You know how it is. Okay.
Ganda ng rhythm. Para siyang pang-disco sa mga clubs. Grabe na ang Kira dito ah. Toto init-nitan dito. JL. Si JL yung ito yung shit tipo yung mga boy next door na mga cutie. No wonder Jello talaga yung pinakamagandang smile ko kanina. Si Mickey talaga yung parating nag-rap sa mga songs nila. Mostly si Mickey. Although sila Jello, sila Nathan, na naririnig ko din silang nag-rap, pero mas pulido kong mag-rap talaga si Mickey. Okay, visually they're appealing naman talaga simula. I mean, in fairness, sa nagsisimulang boy band na to. Like, oo, they're appealing. Pero, let's admit no, that yung video niya, hindi pa ganong kaganda compared dun sa mga latest nilang mga single nila. Like for example, yung All These Ladies, yung kalalabas lang. And then yung mga previews niya ng mga videos, which is laki ng pinagbago, ang laking pinag-improve nila. Pero vocal nandun pa din. Ang angas ng pagkasayaw ng vocal din, hindi nagbago. Pagiging gwapo nila, check pa din. Mas gumapo nga sila ngayon actually. Parang silang F4 F5 kasi liba sila. Again, kung titingnan mo yung video to video nila na nire-release, sobrang laki ng improvement ng BGYO, and I'm a big fan now of BGYO, no? So yun guys, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have another videos na gusto nyong ipa-react sa akin, again guys, don't forget to comment down below, and also guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe this video. Bye bye.